The G&G G36 is one of the best airsoft G36s on the market. However, there isn't much information on it. Today I'm going to show you how to take it down to the gearbox. The first thing you want to do is take the front pin out of the handguard. This is where you normally put in your battery. What you want to also do is cut the zip tie for the MOSFET so you can take out the gearbox later on. Next, remove the pin. Push down on the mag release and pull the mag wall off. After that, remove the third pin. And then fold the stock so the fake bolt is exposed. Pull diagonally upwards. This may take a bit of force. Once you get it out, remove your fake bolt and the fake recoil spring. Push forward on your hop up and pull down on your lower at the same time. Make sure you thread out your MOSFET and not to catch any of your wires while you do this. This is what it looks like when the MOSFET is out. You'll notice that there are two connectors to your battery connector. Remove the two connectors to your battery connector. Once you have it out, remove the screws from the pistol grip. Once the screws are removed, make sure you set your gun on semi. With that, you should be able to push your gearbox out of the lower. Once it is out, it takes down like a standard V3AK gearbox with a few extra screws. I'll be doing a separate video on the stock internals of the G&G G36, but until then, thanks for watching.